Understanding, in my mind's eye, a journey into English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Our focus is on the phrase, in my mind's eye. This idiom is not just a group of words but a gateway to understanding English expressions more deeply. So, let's unravel its meaning together. In my mind's eye is a classic English idiom. When someone uses this phrase, they mean they are visualizing something in their imagination. It's like having a mental picture or seeing something with your mind, not your physical eyes. This idiom is often used when recalling memories, imagining scenarios, or thinking about possibilities that are not physically present. To understand an idiom, it's helpful to know where it comes from. In my mind's eye has a literary origin, tracing back to William Shakespeare. It first appeared in his play, Hamlet. When Shakespeare used this phrase, he gave it a vividness that has carried on through the centuries. This historical context adds richness to our understanding of the idiom. Using idioms correctly can be tricky, but it's crucial for sounding natural in English. Here are a few examples. 1. Describing memories. In my mind's eye, I can still see the house where I grew up. 2. Imagining the future. In my mind's eye, I see a world where everyone lives in harmony. 3. Reflecting on possibilities. In my mind's eye, there are many ways to solve this problem. Notice how the phrase sets the stage for a personal vision or thought. English is rich with idioms that convey the concept of imagination or mental visualization. Phrases like picturing something, visualizing, or seeing in the mind's eye are similar. Understanding these can help you express the same idea in different ways. In my mind's eye is more than just words. It's a window into how English speakers express imagination and memory. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your vocabulary but also enriched your understanding of the beautiful complexities of the English language. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll see the results in your mind's eye too.